Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to change the league schedule. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change the league schedule in ESPN Fantasy Football, what you need to do is first head over and open up your browser. Then once you're inside here, as mobile app does not allow schedule editing, so once you're inside, on the search bar type in fantasy.espn.com. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside, simply log into your account, and once logged into your account, what you need to do is go to your league. Then select on the league tab in the top menu, then select LM Tools, League Manager Tools, and scroll down and click Edit Schedule. Then you'll see a full season grid with all matchups. From here you can book matchups between weeks, assign teams to new opponents, delete or add matchups manually, and then after making the changes, all you gotta do is tap on save. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.